Welcome back to Funnels and Flow. We've spent this course breaking down how to attract, nurture, and convert leads using inbound marketing. Now it's time to close the loop because all that effort means nothing if these leads don't turn into paying customers, right? And that's where HubSpot's sales tools come in. A strong inbound strategy brings in the right people, but your sales process needs to be just as smooth, efficient, and data driven to turn these leads into real revenue. HubSpot sales tools don't just track your contacts, they automate outreach, manage your pipeline, and make sure your team is spending less time on admin work and more time closing deals. So today we're diving into my favorite sales tools within HubSpot, how to use them effectively, and how to optimize your sales process for better conversions. Let's get into it. Let's start with one of the biggest time savers, email templates and sequences. You shouldn't be writing the same sales email over and over. HubSpot lets you create email templates so you can send high converting emails with just one click. Have a killer outreach email? Save it as a template and reuse it anytime. Then there are sequences, which take automation to the next level. Sequences let you set up a series of follow-ups that automatically send based on timing or lead behavior. So instead of manually chasing leads, you can set up an automated flow like this. Day 1, send a welcome email. Day 3, follow up with a case study. You're inching them toward a decision. Day 5, check in with a quick personalized message. The best part is you get real-time visibility into who's engaging, so you know exactly when to follow up and how you should tailor that message. Next, let's talk about something that eliminates the endless back and forth of scheduling calls, HubSpot's meeting scheduler. You know those emails that go, "What time works for you?" No, that time doesn't work. How about next week? Let's never do that again. With HubSpot's meeting scheduler, prospects can book time directly on your calendar. No extra emails needed. Just send them a link and they pick a time that works for them. HubSpot syncs with Google and Outlook calendars so that there's no risk of double booking. And if you want to qualify leads before they book, you can add questions to the scheduling form to ensure you're meeting with the right prospects. This one tool alone can save hours on your weekly admin time and move deals through the pipeline faster. Now, I want to talk about the pipeline. If you don't know where your deals stand, you can't close them efficiently. That's where HubSpot's sales pipeline and deal tracking comes in. Your sales pipeline gives you a visual breakdown of every deal in progress so you know exactly what stage it's in and what needs to happen next. With deal tracking, you can customize your pipeline to match your sales process, move deals throughout the pipeline as they progress, and forecast revenue based on real-time deal activity. Having a clean and organized pipeline helps your sales team stay organized, spot roadblocks, and focus on closing the deals that matter most. No more guessing about which deals need attention. HubSpot gives you full visibility so nothing slips through the cracks. Now that we covered the tools, let's talk about how to actually use them effectively. First, embrace automation. If you're still manually sending follow-ups, setting reminders, or logging interactions, you're wasting time. Let HubSpot do the work so you can focus on selling. Automate your outreach, follow-ups, and meeting scheduling, and let the system keep you on track. Next, keep your CRM tidy. Your deal pipeline should be a reflection of your active opportunities, not a graveyard of outdated leads. Regularly update deal statuses, remove dead leads, and prioritize the prospects that are actually moving forward. A messy CRM slows you down, so keep it clean and up to date. And finally, track your performance. HubSpot's sales reports give you insights into your response times, meeting bookings, and email engagement rates. Are your prospects actually replying to your outreach? Are your meetings being scheduled? What percentage of your deals are actually closing? The data will show you exactly where you need to improve. To wrap it up, HubSpot sales tools aren't just about closing deals. They're about making the process faster, smoother, and more efficient. Your CRM keeps all your efforts systemized. Email templates and sequences automate your outreach and follow-ups. The meeting scheduler eliminates back and forth and speeds up booking. And your customized sales pipeline and deal tracking gives you real-time view of your progress. So here's what I want you to do. Log into HubSpot and explore the Sales Hub. Set up your first sales sequence, set up your meeting link, start small, test things out, and start making your sales process smoother and more efficient. And that's the final lesson of this mini course. We started by learning how to attract leads, then nurture them with content and email marketing. And now we're wrapping it all up and making sure you have the tools to close the deal. You've made it this far and you now have everything you need to build and optimize a strong inbound marketing strategy. But this is just the beginning. Keep refining, keep testing, and most importantly, keep putting your customers at the center of everything you do. That's it for today, and that's it for this course. Keep testing, keep optimizing, and I'll see you on the next one.